Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to CRS White Pass Question year 2018. Question number 6, which says Fifra and Pua refused to obey Pharaoh because A. Pharaoh wanted to kill the Israelite babies. B. Pharaoh wanted to control the Hebrew population. C. They were kinsmen of the Israelites. D. They were women who feared the Lord. The correct option here is option D. They were women who feared the Lord. This happened when the Israelites were in Egypt, in the slave land, and the new Pharaoh who came after the death of the old Pharaoh and Joseph did not know the contribution of Joseph to the land of Egypt at that time. They felt that the population of the Israelites contributed to their economic problem. We find this in the book of Exodus chapter 1 verse 15 to 17. Thank you and God bless you.